Very good morning, dear students. As you all know that we have already studied up to unit 4th and this is unit 5th, My Motherland. In this unit we will study about the motherland on which we are living, on the land on which we have taken our birth. So in this unit we will study the fourth section, and the first section is India, my motherland. Before explaining this chapter or the poem, I will tell you something about our nation. Our vision of a prosperous nation will soon become a reality. Dear students, as you all know that day by day the development is going on our nation, and day by day the new creativeness and new creativity and new things are coming day by day, and the changes are going on. Our sustained struggle and a sense of dedication will steer and stimulate each one of us. uh, in India, there are many people, those are very intelligent and they have the power to prove themselves. So, their dedication will prove, and they will prove their dedication towards the nation, and they will give the glory to our nation. So, that we will study in that poem. This is the section first, India, my motherland. That means here a person is saying that about our motherland on India, and we all are living in India, and that is our motherland. With skills in human nature, computers management, adventure, and sports, life of Indians is fulfilling, and each one is a winner. Dear students, there are a number of people living on this earth, and especially we are talking about India. So here in India, many adventurous people are living. Like someone is skilled in computer, in adventures, in sports, and many more things. In many fields, each one is good. मीन्स हर एक व्यक्ति के पास अपने एक स्किल है. हर कोई किसी न किसी फील्ड में बहुत ही अच्छा है. लाइफ ऑफ इंडियंस इज़ फुलफिलिंग एंड ईच वन इज़ विनर. और इस धरती पे कोई ऐसा नहीं जिससे कुछ भी नहीं आता हो. हर कोई एक स्किल में बहुत ही क्या है, वेल स्किल्ड है, एंड और हर एक विनर है. The thoughts and actions of each Indian is going to help in changing our dreams into reality. And the thoughts which are running in our mind, and the dedication to our work, and the mindset to the work, and the focus by which we can get success in our life, and we can achieve our goal. Here, in each Indian's mind, this prosperous, and this develop in their mind to do good for their life, in their life. हेल्प इन चेंजिंग अवर ड्रीम्स इंटू रियलिटी. और हर कोई यहाँ पर अपने जो ड्रीम्स है, सपने हैं, उनको रियलिटी में बदलने में लगा रहता है. एज यू ऑल नो दैट वी ऑल हैव राइट टू सी ड्रीम्स. वी ऑल सी द ड्रीम्स इन द नाइट, बट we must see the dreams in the day also, so that we can achieve our goal, and we can do the best in our life. हमें जो सपने हैं वो सिर्फ रात में ही नहीं देखना चाहिए, बट हमें दिन में भी देखने चाहिए, ताकि हम उन सपनों को पूरा कर सकें और जी जान से मेहनत करके उन सपनों को पूरा कर सकें. The songs of delight, the festivals of colors and light. Here it is said that the songs of delight means the song which comes from our heart, and which gives us the happiness. The festivals of colors and light. We all know that we all celebrate the festivals, and like you know well that the festival of light is Diwali, and colors and festival of colors is Holi. So these important festivals are celebrated in only India, and they all give us so much happiness, joy, and affection. Every Indian celebrates life, overcomes stress and strife. Dear students, if we do work every day and we will not take any leave and we will not take any rest, then we would be stressed. हम हमारी जो लाइफ होगी वो पूरी फुल ऑफ स्ट्रेस हो जाएगी, हम बहुत परेशान हो जाएंगे, ट्रबल में आ जाएंगे। और इसीलिए जब हमारे यहाँ पर जो फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, जब ये सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं, डे बाय डे जो फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं, ये हमारी लाइफ में खुशियाँ लेकर आते हैं, क्योंकि हम सारे फेस्टिवल अपनी फैमिली के साथ ही सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। सो दे गिव अस लॉट ऑफ जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस टू मेक अवर लाइफ हैप्पियर एंड हैप्पीएस्ट। The green fields sway to the beat of the heart. Here we are talking about the green field. Green field means the field in which the wheat or rice or paddies are grown. So that are like beats of our heart. When this move in the field, जब ये जो पौधे होते हैं खेतों में जब लहलहाते हैं, जो फसलें होती हैं जब वो लहलहाती हैं खेतों में, तब ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि हमारा दिल जो है वो धड़क रहा हो। एंड वी फील दैट आवर हार्ट इज़ बीटिंग वेरी फास्ट। Joyous and vibrant every part. When we see that side, this scene looks very beautiful. That's why we feel happy and joyful. Each one busy in building peace. Peace flows in ravines and reeds. Everyone has a mind and everyone wants to do something different in their lives, so that's why they have done well in their life, and they everyone is busy in their busy schedule and in their work. So no one can take out the time for herself or himself. कोई भी अपने लिए समय नहीं निकाल पाता है, लेकिन when the festivals comes in our life, then we celebrate each and every festival with full of dedication and full of joy, and we get enjoyed at that time. Peace flows in ravines and reeds means when we celebrate these festivals, these festivals give us joy, and they give us peace in our mind. All are trying to listen to their inner voice. Every person, those are Indians, they listen the inner voice, what their heart says. Whenever they do the work, then first they ask to their heart that what should they do, what is wrong and what is right. Each one understanding the other with poise. And here many Indians are like helping nature, and their behavior is very good. They always stand with anyone in any circumstances, वेदर दे नो द पीपल और नॉट। चाहे कोई भी व्यक्ति हो, चाहे हम उसे जानते हैं नहीं जानते हैं, लेकिन इंडियन लोग जो हैं वो ऐसे होते हैं जो हर किसी व्यक्ति के प्रॉब्लम में उसका साथ देते हैं, उसकी मदद करते हैं और हमेशा उसके साथ खड़े रहते हैं, चाहे वो उसे जानते हो या न जानते हो। बट दे ऑलवेज स्टैंड साइड बाय साइड विथ अ पर्सन टू हेल्प हिम in any way. India is a school to learn from. Dear students, only in India there are the lot of people, means many people are here, those have the feelings. Only Indians have the best feelings to understand everything and every situations and each of the people. They always ready to help others, and their behavior is very good. They have the diligence, everything. They have the politeness. Here helping each other is the norm, and here this is the behavior of Indians, that they are very helping. They are always ready to help each other, and in any condition, in any situation, whether the situation is very worst. So in this poem, dear students, I would like to say you again that Indians are always helping and very polite to others. So we should be always polite and always helping nature to others. Dear students, in India many people are here, those are always ready to help each other, whether you will go any town, any city or in village, but people are very helping nature and good behavior, and they are very polite to, they are always ready to help others. Whenever any foreigners come to visit our country, they are always ready to हेल्प हिम और हर। हम इस पोयम में इंडियंस लोगों की बातें कर रहे हैं कि जो इंडियंस है वो बहुत वेल स्किल्ड है और जो उनका बिहेवियर है बहुत ही अच्छा होता है। वो हमेशा दो लोगों की मदद के लिए तैयार रहते हैं, किसी भी सिचुएशन में क्यों नहीं हो कोई, वो हमेशा उसकी मदद के लिए रेडी रहते हैं। वो पोलाइट होते हैं, वेल स्किल्ड होते हैं। इवन जो लोग हैं वो हर एक फील्ड में बहुत ही स्किल्ड होते हैं। सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पीपल्स, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली इंडियंस एंड इंडिया इज़ आवर मदरलैंड, कि हमारी जो भारत भूमि है, जन्मभूमि है, उस पर ऐसे लोग रहते हैं जो कि बहुत ही पोलाइट है, वेल बिहेवियर्ड है, वेल स्किल्ड हैं और उन्होंने अपने जो ड्रीम्स है उनको रियलिटी में चेंज किया है। थैंक यू।